How to use a Samsung remote for YouTube TV. Using a Samsung remote with YouTube TV is straightforward and allows you to navigate, search, and control playback. Follow these steps to make the most of your Samsung remote. Step 1. Launch YouTube TV. Turn on your Samsung TV. Press the power button on your remote. Open the YouTube TV app. Press the home button to access the main menu. Navigate to the YouTube TV app using the directional pad and press OK or Enter to open it. Step 2. Navigate YouTube TV. Directional pad. Use the up, down, left, and right buttons to navigate through the menus and select options. OK, Enter button. Press the OK or Enter button to select highlighted items such as channels or videos. Back button. Use the back button to return to the previous menu or screen. Step 3. Control playback. Play pause. Use the play pause button to control video playback. Fast forward dot rewind. Press the forward or rewind buttons to skip ahead or go back in the video. Directional pad for scrubbing. While watching a video, use the left or right buttons on the directional pad to jump backward or forward. Step 4. Adjust volume and mute. Volume controls. Use the volume up and volume down buttons to adjust the sound. Mute. Press the mute button to silence the audio. Step 5. Search for content. Access the search menu. Use the directional pad to navigate to the search option in YouTube TV. Enter search query. Use the on-screen keyboard to type your search. Use the directional pad to select letters and press OK to confirm. Step 6. Access Live TV and Library. Live tab. Navigate to the Live tab to browse live TV channels. Library tab. Select the Library tab to access recorded shows or saved content. By following these steps, you can easily navigate and control YouTube TV using your Samsung remote.